Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8 inches, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this tablet. Now, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to be using settings as an example. And from here, once it's open, simply press power key and volume down. As you will see, once you press both of them at the same time, you'll have this weird kind of border effect. That is to signify that you have just captured a screenshot. And from here, you can find that screenshot in your photo gallery. So let's quickly navigate there. And there it is. As you can see, there is the screenshot. So that is how you could capture a screenshot on this tablet. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.